So this is my Yanmar diesel tractor. Unfortunately, what's happened to it is the fan assembly has broken. So I'm either going to have to look at repairing it or I'm going to have to make a new one. What's happened here is the bearing has seized in the housing. This is the bearing here, and it fits in there, but as you can see it is a little bit loose. So I've decided in the end I'm going to have to make a new one. So here is the new one that I'm making up. There's the old one there. This is a base plate here, and I've welded on a boss, and I've machined a recess where the new bearing is going to be pressed in there. This then we're going to bolt onto the existing belt adjustment bracket, so we'll see how it works out. Here we're drilling the holes for the adapter plates. See, I'm tapping the threads to take the bolts. This is how the tap works, and it cuts the threads. So here we're drilling out the back of this so that we can bore it out to put the bearing in. Here I'm boring out the back section to take the bearing. So the bearing's been pressed in here, nice secure fit. We turn this over, made up a spacer. This will connect with the inner race of the bearing there, and then this other bearing will be pressed into there. Here we have the two bearings in. We've got the spacer, we put the main shaft in, and the pulley is on there, and you can see that it's turning really nicely. This is the new fan assembly ready to go on. All looks good, and this was the old one, which looks a bit worn out. Fan assembly is all bolted in. The pulleys all look nice and straight. Turns okay. So let's fire it up and see how it works.